Hey, it's Robbie here, and it's time for a bonus video. It is a tagged video where another YouTuber tags me in something, and I've got to do it. It's basically the chainmail of YouTube. Alright, so I wasn't going to do this yet. I was going to actually wait. But I'm having another hungry day, guys. Nothing is keeping my attention, and I'm thinking about food. I made the mistake of eating my dinner early, like right when I got off work. So I had 11 points left at like 5. And typically I eat most of my points in the evening. So I am keeping myself busy. I did just have a little bit of a snack, and I'm going to try to keep myself entertained and have a little bit of a snack later to use the rest of my points. But YouTube, thank you. You are how I keep myself away from doing that. And also, please excuse the bed. I was kind of just laying down watching some TV, and then Selena's laying there, and she's all cute and stuff, so I couldn't make the bed. So excuse that mess. But anyway, so this tag is a coffee/tea tag where it's basically 10 questions about your coffee/tea drinking habits. The thing is, I don't really drink either, so it's kind of an awkward one to be tagged in. But I have drank some, and I do have some preferences, so let's see if any of my preferences can apply, considering I don't drink either on the regular basis. I am very much a water guy or a diet soda guy. But, so anyway, so I am going to put the questions down below, as well as a link to Sandy from Let's Get Fit with Sandy's channel down below. And I think I'm just tagging 2 people this time because I don't know a lot of coffee or tea drinkers, and they'll just have to tough it up if they don't drink it either. So I will be tagging No Excuses. I forget her full channel name. No Excuses NTB, or Weight Loss and NTB, I believe, is her full channel name. I just always mentally say No Excuses. And then I will also be tagging the TMI Queen Gets Fit. So their links will be down below. So look for their channels and look forward to their response videos or their tagged videos. And if you decide to do a video, if you're a viewer and you have a channel and want to make a video on it, tag your darn self, let me know, and then I will put a link to you in a future channel or a future video. So yeah. All right, so let's get into it. So first of all, the number 1 question is, do you prefer your coffee/tea hot or cold? I'm going to kind of answer these for both since I don't really drink either regularly. So that might make it a little bit more time consuming. But as far as hot or cold, on either count, coffee or tea, I prefer it cold. I do not like hot drinks. Even hot cocoa, I don't like it hot. It's just not, I'm not a hot person drinker. Hot drinker? Yeah. Okay. So that one's easy. Number 2, do you drink your coffee/tea strong or weak? I don't know. That one I really don't know. Because if I don't like the taste of coffee, so I make it, whatever the directions say on both. Like I put a tea bag in or I do that. Because I don't know. I don't like the taste of coffee, so I put in a bunch of cream and sugar. Hence why I don't drink it, because it's a lot more calories and points. I think Miss Goldie is, yep, she's in here. I just saw my door move. But yeah, so I don't know. I know I make coffee, like at work, stronger than maybe the average person, but that's because I used to work with somebody who prefers it strong, so... And I figure if I'm going to make it, you might as well make it strong because they can always add more cream or sugar to weaken it. As far as tea, I don't know. Like, if I'm making it, like, you just put a tea bag in. But probably actually, hold on, let me think. I probably do make it stronger because if I'm making like a big old pitcher of it, then I usually put 3 tea bags in and I don't know what the recommended thing is. So, All right. Instant coffee or brewed / loose leaf or tea bag? I've never had instant coffee. It sounds gross. I've not heard a single person like it. So I'm going to say brewed because that's all I know. And loose leaf or tea bag. Now that one, I will honestly say I can enjoy loose leaf a little bit more if I actually do make it. I should have brought it, but I have a little Doctor Who diffuser. Actually, let me grab it. All right. So I have a little Doctor Who tea infuser. I don't know if you can see it with the light shining on it, but it's just a little police phone box, and you put your loose leaf in there. But the thing is, even with that, the holes are kind of big up here. So for some loose leaf teas, I have to still kind of put them in a bag, like stuff a coffee filter in there and put them in there. But I do like them just because I've experienced more variety with them. There's this one, I do not remember the name of it. If I remember the proper name, I'll put it in the link below. But I think it's called Asiago teas or something like that. And they have different, like, a bunch of different flavors, and especially, like, they have some Doctor Who ones, which, I mean, Doctor Who. Yeah. But either way, there was this one, and it was based off of the 10th Doctor, or the 9th Doctor, and it was, it had banana flavoring in it, and I'm sure you all, I'm going to stop playing with that, because I'm sure it's loud on the microphone. But y'all know how I feel about my bananas. Bananas, the best thing in the universe. So, those were awesome. So, for tea, I do like that. Typically, if I am making tea, it is more loose leaf just because it's cheaper. All right, anyway, do you buy your coffee/tea out or make it home? Tea, I don't really ever order out. I never really order it out. Coffee, I never really make it home. I have a knockoff Keurig, and so I have with that. Mainly back when I was doing keto, I used that a little bit more because you make the keto coffee with the butter. Ugh. But yeah. So, tea at home, coffee out. Favorite cold coffee/tea? And we're on question number 5. 5 more to go. So favorite cold coffee/tea. If we're going straight up cold, coffee, I would say, I do like Starbucks, but they're flavored coffees. So, because if I do go to Starbucks, I'm getting a flavored drink. Typically more of like a Frappuccino dude, which I've avoided because of calories and points. But, yeah, they're ones that come in the cups. I honestly like the canned ones, the French vanilla coffee thing. I like that a lot. Favorite cold tea. I make it cold, but like, there is a Lipton's raspberry tea. Honestly, almost any raspberry tea. Quick Trip, their version of it. I do like that. Honestly, I need to look up the points for that because it's really good. Maybe I should start drinking it more. Thank you, Sandy. Made me think of that. But yeah, raspberry tea. Lipton's if I'm having it at home. And there was a peppermint tea that I enjoyed not that long ago. And I think it was Lipton's also. But yeah. All right, so number 6, favorite hot coffee/tea. I don't like hot drinks, so none. Unless you're going to throw in like a French vanilla cappuccino, that I never have the patience to let it cool all the way down. Like if I get that at like Quick Trip or whatever gas station, I don't think that's coffee though. Is there coffee in cappuccinos? I don't know. But either way, that I do actually, I love it a lot. I just don't get it a lot because, again, calories and points. But it, that's the one thing that I won't like it cold before I drink it. I prefer it cold, but I don't have the patience typically. All right, so what time of the day do you drink your coffee/tea? Again, kind of awkward since I don't really drink either on the regular. So anytime. Doesn't matter. And as far as with caffeine, like I can have caffeine right before bed. I don't sleep better or worse without it or with it. I just have sleep issues in general a lot of times. But yeah, so anytime. What do you like in your coffee/tea? Sugar, milk, etc. So, all the cream and all the sugar. I basically like a little coffee with my cream/sugar. But I will, if I am putting it in there, yeah, I don't know how to measure it. Like, I do prefer, the knockoff sugar. I do like stevia. Cream, I like the flavored creamers. French vanilla, awesome. Or this time of year, there's probably pumpkin something or other out there that I would enjoy. But again, I don't really make it. And I've bought creamers before, and they just go bad. So I haven't for a very long time because I'm like, all right, cool. I want to drink this and I want this flavor. Cool. And it goes bad before I can finish it because I'll be in a mood for coffee like one day and then not in the mood again for like another month or two or 3 or 4 or 5. So yeah. Number 9. Have you always liked coffee tea? No, because I'm still not a huge fan. So I've not always. I still haven't. I tried making myself one year, like, I'm going to be a coffee drinker. All these coffee people, I can have something in common with them. Yeah, whatever. I'm not. Number 10. What coffee/tea do you recommend? Again, the Lipton's raspberry tea makes me very happy. Coffee, I don't know. I don't know coffees. A lot of people I know love Starbucks. Even like the bagged at home, like kind. So, sure, I recommend that. I don't know. If you don't like it, it's not my fault because I'm not fully recommending it. But yeah, so that was the 10 questions. So as I said, I do appreciate it, Sandy, that you tagged me in this. I have never made it known that I'm not a big drinker of either, so you couldn't have known that I'm not a big drinker. But I think I still had some answers, so that was cool. So thank you for tagging me in it. It's very sweet. She calls me Sparkles. If you happen to watch her videos and she mentions Sparkles, that's me. So thank you. I will have a link to her below. And again, I am tagging the TMI Queen Gets Fit and No Excuses Weight Loss and MTB. MTB? Mountain Bike. Yeah. So I think that's the proper name. The proper name will be typed below with the proper spelling and a link to their channels. So when they get the tag, watch it and watch their other stuff. It's very, very motivating and entertaining either way. Like, both amazing channels. It's kind of interesting, like, watching them back to back. They're kind of opposite. Like my TMI Queen, she's a friend of mine. I've known her before YouTube, and she is motivating, but she's very comical with it. She's very real. She's very, in your face, TMI, but in a great way. I love it. And then as far as with No Excuses, she is very motivating, very heartfelt in her voice. Like, I don't think I've ever said it on any of her videos, but she has like a narrator's voice that I just adore. Like, I either A, want her like narrating a book that I'm listening to, or B, tell me bedtime stories. So either way, check them both out. Very, very interesting, very lovely people. And if I'm posting this today, until Sunday when I do my weigh-in, I will talk to you guys later.